Good morning and Jai Hind, all of you. So, welcome to the Monitor Investiture Ceremony 2021-22 session. Before we proceed, I request everyone to get ready for the prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसे भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोची लखवार चुप्पै चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा अवतार भुखिया भुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरिया पार सह सियाणपा लख होहे ता इक न चलै नाल किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पाल हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः।
I take this privilege to invite our principal ma'am for the welcoming address.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone, and a warm welcome to each one of you for the Monitors Investors Ceremony. And I'm very glad to see you all, after so many days, because class 7 and 8 went off earlier and then 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's really nice to see you all. And my best wishes to all the monitors who will be taking the oath today. And I hope you all will be becoming the hands and the eyes of your class teachers, because they require your help when we are going with the hybrid class teaching, or even for that sake online teaching. And you all did a wonderful job last year also when you were in the previous classes, and I hope this year also you fulfill your responsibilities and duties in the same manner. I also would like to congratulate all the parents whose wards have been selected, for the monitor. And you have that leadership quality, all of you. And I hope this leadership quality will, further enhance in the senior classes when you go to classes 9, 10, 11, and 12. So looking forward to a year, I think again, full of excitement. And again, it is a very unpredictable year, but whatever it is, we all will overcome together this whole journey. So thank you, Rajiv sir and Mosmi ma'am, for taking the virtual this monitors investors ceremony, and we are on time this year as compared to last year, and we will be doing everything what we have planned in the planner as per the dates what we have decided. So looking forward to everyone's cooperation in giving the best online education and also the activities that will take place. So take care everyone. God bless you all.
and all the teachers present here, all the parents who are here to witness this auspicious occasion. It is wonderful to see these growing up leaders in our school. Generally, we assume that leaders are by birth, but actually, I don't believe in that, because leaders are made with the combination of in-birth qualities like confidence, initiative, and so many other qualities of a leader, combined with continuous and rigorous training by the school. And this is the best opportunity when we select students who are competent enough to be trained, and then they go through the training session the whole year, and then they are ready to shoulder responsibility. They are ready to walk with their head held high, and they become a confident citizen one day. So the training starts from now, at the school level. I am expecting great initiative, great enthusiasm, great the strategies I want from you, how to run the online classes, how to get the students into discipline, how to conduct activities nicely. So all these things are the responsibilities of the newly selected council members of our school. So I hope you will, of course, prove yourself. All the best to all, each council member monitors today who have taken this responsibility, and I wish them all the best. Any help, any guidance you require, do call us, do discuss, and take the initiative for a change. Thank you, and Jai Hind to all of you.
Being a progressive school, Sanmim Bhagwanpur contributes to the society by creating leaders. Dear children, on this day, it officially confers you with the honor of being monitor of your class for the session 2021 and 22. I congratulate you all, and I hope that you all will discharge your responsibilities with full duty, devotion, and discipline. I thank all the admins and teachers who are present on this auspicious occasion of Monitor's Investiture Ceremony. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to the dear parents who joined the Monitor's Investiture Ceremony and invested their valuable time with us. Thank you and Jai Hind.